It's an unboxing. Well, first off, yeah, it is an unboxing, but I got an unbagging to do. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right. Thank you. So the original speed knobs that I ended up popping off this Dean broke. I broke it. I don't know if the fucker was glued on or what, but trying to pull that son of a bitch off was a pain in the ass. I can easily glue the piece back on, but it's always going to show a mark on the top. If you see that or not, it's always going to show a little mark on the top. So what I did is I ordered some speed knobs. It's supposed to be the same size, same thickness, same diameter, same center. Hopefully they'll go over the CTS pots. The only thing different on these ones is they have a little bit of a rubber grip, kind of like the Ibanez speed knobs. So I got 4 of these. That'll be the next part for this thing. And yeah, thank you. So this is the next unboxing. I haven't unboxed it yet. It's been sitting here down here in the basement in the other room waiting for me to open it up. I've been busy with other stuff. So it says please open this side. I wonder if I open up the other side, what's going to happen? Is something supposed to jump out? Let's find out. So I was looking for another modeling amp, and instead of buying a Line 6, I decided, hey, let's see what the Katana. So this is the Katana MK2 Boss modeling amp. And yeah, so let's open the side that says open this side. I like this. Packed really nicely. Alright, so what do we have here? Get off of me. So we have a power cord. There's nothing like the smell of a new amp. Alright, so this is pretty cool. So this is the Katana. It's got a 12-inch speaker in the side of here. Pretty nice. USB, auxiliary, foot switch, phono or headphones and record out, and obviously your power on this side. And there is this piece here which I can take off, which is basically a rundown of almost what I just said. Power. Ooh, you can change this thing from power controls to 0.5 watts, 25 watts, or 50 watts. or you can have it on a standby. Got your input over here, foot switch button. So you have acoustic, clean, crunch, lead, brown. Okay. Gain, volume, then you have equalizer, you got bass, mid, and treble. Then you have a booster mode, which is it's a one volume control, but it's in stacked, it's two. Boost mode, FX, delay, reverb, off, on, tap, tone selecting. You got channel 1, channel 2, and parallel, and then you have a master up here. So what else is in the box? Owner's manual. Yep, owner's manual. See, owner's manual. Yep, that's what I needed. Unless it's in a bunch of different languages. Yes, it is. It's in English, Japanese, Dutch, French, Italiano, Espanol, Portuguese, and Netherlands. So until I plug this thing in and start playing around with it, I guess you just have to wait to see it more. I kind of like it. Small. Looks like it's got a lot of features to it. And yeah. I know you probably really can't see it very well, can you? So I will hold it up. Ta-da! So I'll be playing around with this in the future to see what it's all about. And yeah. See if it sounds better or different than the Line 6 Amplify 150. See you later, guys.